Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn on or enable sensitive content on Instagram. So if you want to start seeing adult content on your Instagram page, then this video is going to walk you through how you can easily turn on this feature step by step. So if none of these, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to enable or turn on sensitive content on Instagram, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application. On the Instagram page, locate and click on your profile icon at the bottom right. Click on the menu icon at top right. On the settings and activity page, you want to scroll down. Just keep scrolling until you get to what you see on Instagram. Then locate and click on content preferences. Once you selected that, then scroll down to sensitive content under content from accounts you don't follow. Now, once you selected sensitive content, you can choose how much sensitive content to see. If you want to see less sensitive content, select less. Then click on confirm. Now, if you want to see some sensitive content, select standard. Now, to see all sensitive content on Instagram, just come here and select more. Then you see what that says, see more sensitive content. You might see more content about topics some people don't want to see, such as this affect content from accounts you don't follow. You'll still see everything from friends and the likes, and then go ahead and click on confirm. Once you hit the confirm button, then when next you refresh your Instagram page, you'll be able to see sensitive content on your Instagram. So that is basically how to enable sensitive content on Instagram. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.